triangular shaped upper lip, which is prehensile. It's just a fancy word that means finger-like. They'll use it to pick food up. They are browsers, so they'll pick leaves off of trees. Saddle-billed storks, solitary until they find their mate. And then female bongos have horns that slope backwards from their head, allows them to move through. Now, when they move around in the water, they don't actually swim. They don't have that buoyancy. They're very dense. They will use their front legs to walk and run on the river or lake. To 20 feet long when they are fully grown, weighing anywhere from 500 to 750 pounds. Now, their main diet does consist of fish, an animal on our reserve. Now, those horns can get up to 6 feet long. They're not quite as heavy as you'd imagine, though. There is a honeycomb-like structure inside of their horns. Now, he is just a little over 7 months old now, was born here on the reserve, standing 5 feet 11 inches tall. Oh, we also have some elands over there. That's those tan antelopes against that back wall. Farmers understandably upset. It's their main source of income, but to keep their fields safe, they hunt and poach the elephants. Now, here on the reserve, we do everything we can to aid in animal conservation, so we teamed up with researchers and conservationists and studied this herd. We actually discovered that elephants, there's one laying down to the back left corner as well, for a few hundred yards while they chase their prey. Now, after that first initial chase, they're actually left completely exhausted. They've used up all of their energy. They're overheated. They need to rest. They actually can't defend themselves or their prey against any predators. 20 hours each day inactive.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now.